Why are humans the only animals that cook food? Imagine you're hungry. You walk into a kitchen, turn on a stove, and cook your food before eating it. Sounds completely normal, right? But here's something strange. Lions don't cook, wolves don't cook, chimpanzees don't cook. In fact, out of millions of animal species on Earth, only one species regularly cooks its food before eating it: humans. And this raises an incredible question. Why? Why are humans the only animals that transform their food with fire before eating it? The answer isn't just about food. It may explain why humans became the most intelligent species on Earth. And it all begins millions of years ago, long before cities, long before farming, long before civilization, back when our ancestors lived in a dangerous prehistoric world. At that time, humans were much like other animals. They spent most of their day searching for food. They ate fruits, nuts, roots, insects, and raw meat. Nothing was cooked. Everything was eaten exactly as it was found. But eating raw food came with a problem, a very big problem. Raw food is difficult to digest. Think about a tough piece of raw meat. Your body has to work incredibly hard to break it down. The same is true for many plants and roots. Even when food contains lots of calories, your body cannot always access all of that energy. Much of it is wasted during digestion. For early humans, that was a serious disadvantage. Life was already difficult. Food was never guaranteed. Every calorie mattered. Then something happened that changed human history forever. Humans discovered fire. At first, they probably encountered fire naturally. Lightning strikes started forest fires. Volcanoes sent lava across the landscape. Wildfires burned through entire regions. Most animals ran away from these terrifying events. Humans probably did too, but eventually some humans stayed behind, long enough to notice something unusual. After a fire passed through an area, dead animals could sometimes be found among the ashes, and those animals had been cooked by the heat. When humans tasted this cooked meat, they discovered something remarkable. It was softer, it tasted better, and it was much easier to chew. Without realizing it, humans had stumbled upon one of the greatest discoveries in history: cooking. At first, humans couldn't create fire themselves. They had to borrow it from nature. If they found a burning branch after a wildfire, they carefully carried it back to their camp. Keeping that fire alive became incredibly important. But once cooking became common, everything began to change. Scientists believe cooking transformed human biology. When food is cooked, heat breaks down tough fibers, it softens meat, it weakens plant cell walls, and it makes nutrients easier to absorb. In simple terms, cooked food gives the body more usable energy, and energy is one of the most important resources in nature. This becomes especially important when we look at the human brain. The human brain is incredibly expensive. Not financially expensive, energetically expensive. Although the brain makes up only a small percentage of body weight, it consumes a huge amount of the body's energy. Keeping a large brain running requires a constant supply of calories. So here's the fascinating idea. Many scientists believe cooking helped provide the extra energy needed for larger human brains to evolve. By making food easier to digest, cooking allowed humans to gain more calories from the same amount of food. Over thousands of generations, that additional energy may have helped fuel brain growth. In other words, cooking didn't just change dinner, it may have helped create human intelligence itself. But if cooking offers such incredible advantages, why don't other animals do it? After all, many animals are intelligent. Chimpanzees use tools, crows solve puzzles, dolphins communicate in complex ways. Some animals even teach skills to their offspring. So why don't they cook? The answer begins with fire. Cooking requires control of fire, and controlling fire is extremely difficult. Animals may understand many things, but creating and maintaining fire is another challenge entirely. To cook food, you first need a reliable source of flames, then you need fuel, you need patience, and you need the ability to plan ahead. Most animals live almost entirely in the present moment. Humans are different. Humans constantly think about the future. We gather resources before we need them. We prepare for tomorrow, we store food, we build shelters, and we create tools for problems that haven't happened yet. Cooking is actually a perfect example of future planning. When you cook food, you're investing time and energy now for a reward later. That type of thinking is extremely rare,